Hey everyone, if you want to synchronize files between multiple computers, phones, servers, or other devices, the first step is connecting those devices in Syncthing. In this video, I'll show you how to connect devices in Syncthing from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Syncthing is installed and running on every device you want to connect. Open the Syncthing web interface on your first device. This dashboard is where you'll manage device connections, shared folders, and synchronization settings. When Syncthing starts, it automatically generates a unique device ID. This ID acts like a secure identifier that allows devices to recognize and connect with each other. Next, open the Syncthing interface on the second device and locate its device ID as well. Now return to the first device and select the option to add a remote device. Enter the device ID from the second device and assign the device a friendly name to make it easier to identify later. Review the connection settings, and save the device information. And that's how to connect devices in Syncthing in 2026. With secure device pairing and encrypted communication, Syncthing makes it easy to build your own private file synchronization network across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.